Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you another company that is currently hiring remote managers and virtual assistants. So if you're interested, watch till the end. You can share this video with someone, drop a comment, let me know where you're joining me from. And if you're interested in this type of remote jobs, let me know in the comments. This one is hiring from all over the world. So whether you live in Nigeria, South Africa, the US, wherever you are, can actually land this remote job. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a quiet space in your house to get started. We're going to walk through the details and the application process so you can apply today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're new, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any videos like this, and drop a comment. Let me know if you've ever heard of this company we're going to talk about today, and share this video with someone who is desperately looking for a remote job to start in January 2026. Let's get started. They offer email management, calendar scheduling, executive assistant, customer service, social media assistant, data entry assistant, virtual research assistant, and other services. So you want to go to their website. Inbox Done is the name. You go there, and then this is the website here. Inbox Done frees up business owners, C-suite executives, and virtual team members, so they no longer have to spend hours inside their inbox every day. So they organize the inbox, then they learn how to respond to incoming emails and create follow-up systems. They give their clients the gift of time, and they get to be on the inside of fascinating, thriving businesses and organizations. Why you should join them is because inbox managers are free to work from the couch at home or from a hammock on a tropical island, provided there is reliable internet and you have a quality computer. You can work anywhere as long as the job is done well and the client's requested time frames are respected. You have the freedom to create a schedule that gives you the perfect work-life balance. No resume or cover letter is needed. They are not interested in where you went to school. They are interested in how your unique skill set and life experiences intersect to match this unique position. You're going to get paid to learn. By working for Inbox Done, you will get a behind the scenes look at how successful businesses operate. You will work with a virtual team of talented and dynamic individuals in a fast growing and rapidly evolving business. You have endless opportunities. They're always brainstorming and implementing new ideas that will best serve their clients, although they expect you to adhere to the guidelines and systems that enables Inbox Done to run smoothly. Your creativity and initiative will always be welcome and rewarded. Instead of constantly pitching to new clients or chasing up invoices, they will carefully select each client for you and give you as many as or as few hours as you'd like to take on. Freedom to work your way. Once you complete the training period for each client and have shown competency in all major areas, they will not microwave you. You will be expected to get your job done right and done well, and then keep them updated. Our client and our client customers hail from all over the world, as they never know what kind of audience a client will have, so they hire from all over the world. They also look for a high level of interpersonal skills via both text and video format. Once you complete the training period for each client and have shown competency in all major areas, they expect you to have the desire to work independently and with minimal direction. So go to inboxdone.com/jobs and then apply. What they're not looking for is applicants looking for a short-term gig. Building a working relationship with the client they assign to you requires a long-term commitment, as you will become an integral part of your client's team. Applicants who are not self-motivated and self-taught, although they will provide you all the necessary training resources to get started, they expect you to proactively seek out the details to technical questions and learn as much as possible about the client they are going to assign you. They are not also looking for clients who are not open to constructive feedback, because all communications happen through written communication. It is essential that you remain open to feedback and not take any corrections personally. Job description. Being an inbox manager means showing up in the inbox on your assigned days to take care of any delegated tasks from your clients. With time, their inbox managers often become the right-hand person for their clients. So feel free to go through this detail. Guys, what else you need to know? The Inbox Done team is made up of self-employed contractors who communicate with each other primarily through Slack. Other tools you will need include Zoom, LastPass, Calendly, and any specified communication tools a client requests. They have a minimum requirement for your remote office. First, an excellent internet connection with a backup plan in place for power or internet outage, a reliable computer with working camera and microphone, a quiet, distraction-free work environment to take calls, the willingness to install and use a password manager and VPN paid for by Inbox during work hours. So whether you're in Nigeria, South Africa, or Ghana, you can actually work for Inbox Done because they allow the use of VPN, okay? All contractors are responsible for tracking their time, sending in monthly invoices, and ensuring that they are compliant with the laws and tax regulations in their home country. Most Inbox Done roles start out as part-time and are best described as long-term supplemental income. Okay, so they have a 30-day trial period during which time your output will be evaluated against your effort. They accept application submission on a year-round basis so that they always have a database to draw from for incoming clients. If you apply and they don't have a role for you immediately, you have to stay open to join them at a later time as they regularly review on standby list. How to apply? So step 1, submit the application below, which is usually completed in 20 minutes. Step 2, if they feel you could be a good fit, they will invite you to participate in an interview over Zoom. Step 3, after satisfactorily completing the interview, they will check your submission references. Step 4, once your references have been confirmed, they will welcome you into your first paid training period. So they have a training period, but it is a paid training. Want to work with them? They already know you're amazing, but they have a favor to ask. Due to high volume of application they receive on a daily basis, can you include the word pineapple somewhere in your application so they know that you've carefully read through the page? When you're ready, click the apply button below to begin. Don't forget this word, pineapple. They will ask for it during your application. Include this word, okay, so that they will know that you have read this. This is a Nigerian. You can read the reviews here. Working for Inbox Done has been amazing. I get to learn new things, grow into my role, and sense of community built around the team is more than anyone could hope for. Guys, don't limit yourself. Do not limit yourself. Getting worried. I live in Nigeria. I own a phone. How do I do this? Do not limit yourself. Go and apply. Let me know your thoughts in the comments if you're going to apply. Okay, let me know if you're going to apply. So when you go to inboxdone.com, go to jobs, then you see this page. This is where it all starts. Read through. Make sure you read the job description. Okay, make sure you read the job description very well and check out what they need from you. Guys, these are skills that you need to learn. You go learn these skills. How to use Zoom. Some people don't even know how to use Zoom. LastPass, Calendly. This is Calendly. Let me show you guys here. How to set up a meeting on Calendly. This is my Calendly here. This is my profile. How to schedule a meeting and all of that. You can go and sign up. It's actually free, okay? You can go learn how to set up a meeting, how to schedule a meeting, the workflows and everything. It has an app integration. You can connect PayPal, Stripe, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Salesforce, so many apps. You can integrate them here. So you need to help yourself. If you don't know what Zoom is, this is Zoom here. If you don't know what Zoom is, this is Zoom. This one here is Zoom. You can include Zoom details in your Calendly event so that people can join your Zoom. People that are scheduling for a course or whatever on Calendly can easily get the Zoom link and all of that. Yeah, you need to learn skills. You need to learn how to use these apps. It will help you when you're looking for online jobs. Online job is not just about owning a laptop and a table. No, there are things that you need to learn how to use. Tools like Zoom, Calendly, Canva, Microsoft Teams, how to use Microsoft Word, Excel, spreadsheet, and all of that. Yes, you need to go learn them. Can't just be looking for online job when you don't know how to use these tools. Go and learn them. So this is it. Read the requirement, read the description, and then check the steps out. Remember to include this word in your application. So click on apply, brings you here, current open position, inbox manager, virtual assistant. The following outline highlights what comes next if you successfully complete each step. First step is application, second step is Zoom interview, references checked, paid training course, paid trial period. Please make sure your references are trustworthy. Okay, so once you're done reading, they say make sure you review the jobs page. They are very particular about you reviewing the jobs page, and don't forget to include pineapple. Please note we routinely run job applications through AI detection software with its ATS, and will not move forward when AI usage is suspected. AI programs cannot mimic the human touch we are looking for in an inbox manager, so please remember to be yourself. So you fill in this application with your details, your phone number, your location, your LinkedIn or personal website URL, which is optional. How did you hear about us? What device do you work? Is it Mac or PC, etc. Why are you interested in working with us? Please, you write everything here. Next, take your answer above and turn it into a third person bio prospective client. Turn it into a third person bio. Prospective clients often reference our team's bios to get a sense of who will be entering a space as personal as their inbox. Remember to place yourself in a client's shoes. What would they like to see in your bio if they are considering our services? Feel free to use our About page as a reference. Make sure to include your location and the personal tidbit. So read this, okay, and go through the application. It takes about 20 minutes. So take your time and do the application. When are you available to start? Is there anything else you'd like us to know? So if you want to start by January, do this application this week and keep it there and be hopeful. So I'll end this video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment for me. Let me know if you're applying, if you've applied before, and if you've ever worked for Inbox Done. Let me know in the comments. Please like, share, comment. If you're new, please subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss whenever we upload new videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.